All of that body that you came with, but where you mentally? I know you hear it all the time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, sis, so you don't need to like come down my throat. Literally, like, I need to apologize. So I just want to say from the bottom of my foot, not even from my heart, from the bottom of my foot, I'm so sorry. There was some technical problems, but everything is sorted now, so please forgive me. Let's just get straight into the video because it's been a long night. But as you can see here, I did my brows, sorry, off camera. And now I'm applying the color Selfie from my Morphe Night Master palette onto my whole crease area. And then I will be going in with the orange shade, just from a random palette, just to diffuse it on the outer corners so it won't look harsh. And then on the whole of my lid area, I will be placing a black eyeshadow just to give it like a smoky eye effect.
You from right up above. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Cause I know that God sent you from right up above. Yeah.
Also, I just want to give a big shout out to Diante for letting me use his songs in my video. I'm so gassed right now because I actually love all of his songs. If you guys can do me like a huge ass favor and go support him on his SoundCloud, like go like follow him and shit, because like his music pretty dope, to be honest. So yeah, thank you again. And like I said, if you guys are interested, the link will be in my bio or my description. Listen, let me tell you, this is a long night, you know, so like don't even come for me, please.
I wanna tell the world about this caramel queen. I tell them about this girl, and she the one.
So now I'm just blending all those colors together with a clean blending brush, and then I will be going in back with a different small defined brush just to diffuse out the eyeshadow with the orange again, because it looks like I lost it with all the colors, just so you know it pops.
Close to me. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Cause I know that God sent you from right up above. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Cause I know that God.
So now I'm applying a glitter glue from Stargazer. It's called the Fix Gel or something like that. It's pretty good. I think it's like £4 or something like that. So you should cop it, sis. Like, it's a bargain.
This is the season of love. Cause I know that God sent you from right up above.
The glitter I'm using on my eye is from Barry M. It doesn't have like a shade name or anything. I just know it's for the face, body, and hair glitter. So, and it's like in a big tube. You can get it from Superdrug. And then for primer, I'm using my Benefit Porefessional, which is really good. I like it. And then for foundation, I'm using my Hourglass foundation stick in the shade Beige. And for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Instant Eraser concealer, you know, them one that wind up so, in the shade Nude 02.
I treat you like a shirt, kissing on your lips, got me really, really shook. Whoa. Grab the waist, take a taste of your lips, kiss your face. You're a gift from above. This is the season of love. I know that things started off rough, but now a little bond is so tough. We're never ever gonna break up. You're my baby and I can't get enough. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Gotta know that God sent you from right up above. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Cause I know that God sent you from right up above. Yeah. I've been waiting on you, pretty little young thing. I've been wanting to see that smile again. Girl, I knew you were the one ever since I laid eyes on you, baby. You are my best friend. Every time I hear the laugh, girl, I can't help thinking that if the story ends, I never get to hear it again. Cause baby, don't you know, oh, baby, can you see, we've been on the low, but we were meant to be.
Also, if you were interested in the lashes, it's from bahamalashes.com. They have some really cute lashes, and they do 2 for $11.99, which is really good. I can't remember this style. I'm really sorry. I believe it's Layla. I believe it's that, if I'm not mistaken. But all her lashes are a bomb, so you should check them out.
My name, you show me with lightning. You got that radiant glow. Just need you close to me. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Cause I know that God sent you from right up above. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Cause I know that God sent you from right up above. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. Cause I know that God sent you from right up above. This is the season of love. This is the season of love. This is the season of.
So for setting my face, I'm using the RMCA No Color Powder. And I'm baking just under my eyes and then lightly setting the rest of my face where I put concealer. I only bake under my eyes just because they crease, and you know, creasing ain't cute. So yeah. Also, for the contour palette I will be using in the next clip, it's from Revolution, and it's the palette shade medium, just for, you know, if you guys wanted to. I mean, everything I gonna be wearing, or yeah, basically everything I have on my face will be in my description box. So if I ever miss out anything, just check the box because it's gonna be down there. So
Yeah, whoa, smiling so my teeth is like the sun, yeah. Baby, don't you know that you are mine, yeah. Girl, every time I'm with you, it is timeless. Girl, I'm just really feeling all that kindness. Girl, you sweet, and that's all just that I eat. Girl, you put me in that heat, and you make me feel complete. Energy is so elite, baby, be my remedy. Let me sweep you off your feet, man, that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, yeah, repercussions got me busting down. Whoa, whoa, now I'm missing all your loving now, yeah. Yeah, yeah, FaceTime calls when I really cannot cope, yeah. Can I see your face, man, a nigga can just hope, yeah. When I see your smile, it is like an antidote, yeah. Show me love, yeah. I know these things are getting so right, yeah, whoa, yeah. Show me love, yeah. I know these things are getting so right, yeah, whoa, yeah. Overdosing all the time, don't you know? All the love in your eyes.
for my setting spray, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus spray, and then for blush, I will be using the color Summers by NYX, and then for highlight, I will be using my Sleek palette.
Love you in my sight, yeah. Every single night, I just want you for the night, yeah. Let me show you love, cause the future is so bright, yeah. I just know the feeling and I know that it is right, yeah. Light skin, pretty long hair, yeah. Whoa, pretty little face that makes me stare, yeah. Whoa, I just love the thought of us as pairs, yeah. Whoa, never make you mad or shed a tear. Affection got me flexing, always on my phone, I'm texting. Listen, girl, I'm just protesting, yeah. It's you I'm really missing, all the hugs and all love, yeah. I know these things are getting so right, yeah. Whoa, yo, show me love, yeah. I know these things are getting so right, yeah. Whoa. Show me love, yeah. I know these things are getting so right, yeah. Whoa, yo, now it's looking out, yeah. You know that I cannot get enough, girl. What's the fucking rush, yeah? Whoa, you know that I love to make you blush, yeah.
So I'm just using the black eyeliner pencil by NYX, and then I will be smoking out my bottom lashes with my contour palette. It's just a brown shade, just to give it a little bit of color. And then I'm just going to be using a mascara from Rimmel, I believe. And I just wanted to inform you guys that I did apply bottom lashes. The clip was blurry and you couldn't see shit, so I just took it out. But just know I did apply 2 lashes on each eye, so 4 altogether, just to, you know, let you guys know. And then also for my lip combo, I'm using the lip liner by Rimmel in the shade Cappuccino, and then my NYX butter lip gloss in the shade let me just check. Yeah, sorry about that. Found it in the shade Madeline. Just again want to say I'm so sorry about the delay with this video. Just hope you guys can forgive me, please. But thank you again for watching and supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. So if you guys want to see a Valentine's look, let me know so I can try to get this out before Valentine's Day, which is in the next couple of days. Hopefully this will be out before then. So, but if anything, just let me know if you guys want to see any other looks. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and bye. Love you guys.
Just love you in my sight, yeah. Every single night, I just want you for the night, yeah. Let me show you love, cause the future is so bright, yeah. I just know the feeling and I know that it is right, yeah. Light skin, pretty long hair, yeah. Whoa, pretty little face that make me stare, yeah. Whoa, I just love the thought of us as pairs, yeah. Whoa, never make you mad or shed a tear. Affection got me flexing, always on my phone, I'm texting. Listen, girl, I'm just protesting, yeah. It's you I'm really missing. All the hugs and all the kissing got me craving for some tension, yeah, yeah. Show me love, yeah. I know these things are getting so right, yeah. Whoa, yo. Show me love, yeah. I know these things are getting so right, yeah. Whoa.